Samsung just dropped the Galaxy S25 series, and now all eyes are on their next big thing, the Galaxy Z Flip7 and Fold7. But when are they coming? Well, that's the million-dollar question right now. Some leaks point to a July or August launch, but nothing's official yet. Rumors and leaks have already given us a solid sneak peek. The Galaxy Z Fold7 is expected to pack a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip paired with 12 gigs of RAM. But here's the catch. Last year's special edition of the Fold 6 came with a 16 gigs RAM option, and it looks like Samsung is skipping that this time. And now a new leaks has brought some light on the display department. According to leak, the Fold 7's display is getting a significant upgrade, at least in terms of brightness. Leaks suggest that the phone will feature a 2600 nit peak brightness, making it one of the brightest foldable displays ever. This means improved visibility in direct sunlight, vibrant colors, and an overall better viewing experience. But that's not all. Samsung is also bringing its ProScaler algorithm to the Fold 7, a feature that was previously exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. So, what exactly does this do? Well, ProScaler enhances image quality by boosting sharpness and clarity when zooming or upscaling an image, reportedly improving the quality by up to 40%. If this technology works as promised, users can expect sharper and more detailed visuals, whether they're watching videos, gaming, or simply browsing photos. Cameras are always a major talking point with every smartphone launch, but surprisingly, we don't have much information about the Fold 7's camera system yet. That being said, there are two possibilities. Samsung might introduce a moderate camera upgrade, perhaps improving the sensors or software processing for better low-light performance. The cameras might remain largely unchanged, considering Samsung tends to focus on other areas, like displays and software, for its foldables. Personally, I wouldn't expect a huge jump in camera technology this year, but there's always room for surprises. Samsung could at least enhance eye-based image processing, similar to what they did with the S25 Ultra's camera system. With months still to go before launch, there's a lot that can change, and Samsung might have a few surprises up its sleeve. If the rumors are true, the Fold 7 is shaping up to be a solid upgrade, even if it's not a drastic overhaul. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the Galaxy Z Fold 7, or do you think Samsung is playing it too safe? Let's chat in the comments. Until next time, take care.